Right guys, it's really late again. It's the same night. I don't know, the last one. Right, we got that mounted. I can't see because I got no, my head torch is gone. Because I've got a bit of issue there. So I've got a few pipes to loosen or lengthen. I've got a problem with the basically. Right, you're gonna laugh. Basically, the hydraulic slave cylinder is on the opposite side. Why, I do not know. Possibly because it's overdrive, but I don't know. But either way, I can alter it. I can make a new pipe. I can run across here to it, go down through that side. That's not an issue. This mount is tight. Both bolts in. Done. That mount is in. Both bolts in and tight. Still haven't found a pipe for here. No pressure gauge. I will do. Not going to give up on that. Yeah, hey, don't know where the coil sits. Gonna have to look into possibly where the coil's going to go. But we have got the wire loom, which is now being heating up in the conservatory. So we got this side exhaust system's pretty good. The other side's going to be good. And I did something else. I didn't want to do it, but I did. It might work, I don't know. I re-drilled this here. I measured it. I pulled it over slightly because this is not for a rod box. This is for a top slightly. So this is going to be difficult. But I haven't got the other gearbox, so I can't use it anyway. So I haven't got one, so I'm not going to worry about it. So yeah, I've nibbled it out. Not gone too mad. Just took out what I need. And I'm hoping that this will go in there like something like that. And then I can put a plate across here. I can bolt this and I can do it. Fill that up with something. And the original, I'm hoping, original leather mat will go in there. If it don't, I'm going to make it fit because I'm going to waste any money on any more imbeciles. I can shorten this down, make a very short stick, so that's going to be good. Going to get somebody in and clean all this. These will clean it really nice. I mean, these will clean up. So that switch is quite annoying. But a bit of maybe, I don't know, JB Weld, something to hold it in. So seatbelt's good. But yeah, so I can't really complain. I got a door handle missing. I got it on the list of parts to obtain. But I mean, really, it's just, I started to do a bit and I thought I'm going to do it. I started, and you would laugh. I started using the chop saw. I discovered the centre is ripped out of the grinding disc, and I haven't got another. Every grinding disc I've got is too big, so that's on the list for tomorrow. When I go to, I'm going to get some grinders, so I'll get a cutting wheel, so that's going to be done. So yeah, so that'll make me, give me a bit of an edge, chopping that back. Everything else is pretty good. We're short of a few bits, we've got some bumpers missing and whatever, but I'm not too worried. Dual tank, I'm going to just get some white wine vinegar from Asda tomorrow. You gotta go clean out. And then, like I said, that's it. I'm not going mad. I got the original sort of seats. I got the original interior. Trim's great. Everything's gonna be great. The car is gonna be great. I'm gonna say to you guys, it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be alright. I'm just really. Well, I am working late again. I know it's too late. It's too late to be doing this. But it's either this or going to bed. Going to bed is possibly, not much fun anymore. So I'm going to say I'm going to keep working until I'm so tired, so drunk, have a shower, get into bed, and I'll be asleep. So, as I said, this is going to be quite good. One thing I never think, and this is just a quick one now because you're running into like sort of, I know, too long a video, I've been told. There was never anti-robot on Marcus. the brackets are there, but there was nowhere to mount it. So I have no idea why they never had an anti-roll bar. So maybe that's something that could be addressed. Whether it would make any difference, I don't know. But let's have a look. We've got the exhaust manifolds. We've got the downpipes. We've got some flexible tubing. We're going to do a little bit of a, I just want to get it to move. So that's my mission. My mission is clutch, running, wiring, bonnet on, exhaust downpipes on, even if it sounds like a tank, I don't care. I've got the interior in it. Should be great. So let's see, to be continued tomorrow. And like I said, guys, I think it's probably about time I shut the head shed down and went to bed. And like I said, I think I'm going to have to. So, good night from me, good night from him. Like and subscribe, and you might see some more of this. Alright. If you don't, well then, blame it on COVID. Talk to you soon.